Tubes, this Blazer project. Well, I'm working on Toolbox again. Said I'll be working on the Blazer, but unfortunately I need my daily driver to get the money to work on the Blazer, and tool's nearly complete as far as some of the stuff that needs to happen. So, without further ado, let's make this thing breathe a little. Yeah, it's a K&N air intake, and say what you want. I'm putting it on because if anyone knows how much of a pain in the rear these things are to put back together or try and hold together, then you know my ordeal. So that's what we're doing today, is getting that thing installed and then gonna call it, because I've been busting my butt fixing everything else. So let me put you on the tripod. I'll get things set up, and then we'll go over and see what all is in the box. Just kidding. Let's hope. I took a quick glimpse in it when it came in just to make sure nothing was damaged. Nothing was. So now this is off of Summit. I do order stuff from there occasionally. And real quick, it's got these intake stickers for the carbs for California. I'm putting on my truck because I ain't going to get in trouble if there's emissions bullshit wherever I decide to travel. It's catalog, my invoice, and everything. So let's see what we got. Rubber boot, silicone boot, intake ring. That metal? Sure enough. This goes to the cats. They love that stuff. Hardware, more hoses. Awesome. Ew. Nylon lockers, as in nylon inserted nuts. I call them nylon lockers. Heat shield. Pretty nice. Like it a little thicker on the metal, but beggars can't be choosers, and it's going to be under the hood, so can't complain. Got our tube, and that is awesome to hear. Stainless steel from the looks of it. I'll take it. No thank you on the line. Looks like a weather strip of some kind. Probably go on this. And then this is the air filter. That over there, so knife. Yep, air filter, and that's cone. Full on. That's going to help flow some air. Now, is this going to help with horsepower or anything? Well, I'm not going to put it on a dyno to find out, because I just need it to flow the air it needs, because with the old setup, this thing struggles on hills pulling the flatbed. Needless to say, though, the flatbed is nearing its capacity, but still, it'd be nice. And I like hearing the engine more than anything else, because it full on is how I know when it's in the power band or so forth. That's why I got a Flowmaster muffler on it, because it helps greatly when you're backing up. So, put that over there for now. That'll go there. Instruction time. That's the 5.4. But regardless, they're both the same. So turn you off. Let's go to the truck and start disassembly. Ooh, gonna keep that. Real quick, any bubble wrap you get, keep it, because this saves you a lot of money if you put this in another package. So, let's go to the truck and get to work. Alright, got a stubby flat tip and some nut drivers and some wrenches. So, let's see what we got. So, first things first, according to the instructions, cover comes off. Close, those are too small. Bingo. Okay, it's not coming loose. 5/16. Set that over there. And one thing I've learned is sometimes if you don't have trays, put things back. So, next step. This thing loose. That'll go there. EGR tube. So intake sensor. That goes there, that goes there. Right here. Okay, we disconnect the sensor. That's down here on this freaking boot. If it'll come loose. So, while it fills, skip a couple of steps. Remove that. And we can easily get to the sensor and unplug the dang thing. Oh, you're going nowhere, pal. And this thing has never been off. So, yeah, nice and smooth, but still freaking chokes it down. Now, let's remove the sensor as gently as possible. Come on. Gotcha. And it's out. Set that over there on the top. I think we can just put this on the ground for now. So, now we just pull this apart first. It was due for a change. Then out comes that. That's where that damn thing went. Sorry, but oops. That's my underhood light. Need to get that hooked back up. Stick that over there for now. So it looks like we unhook this. The question is, aha. There's a little clip right there. And then that pulls out. Butterfly valve looks a little filthy. But it's not that bad. So, turn to the next page. And looks like we're going to go in the garage. So, I'll set up everything up. Alright, according to this, got to get the mass airflow out, so out comes that. Take that off. Scoot that down. Nice. save this, put that back on. Then it says to pop that. So, flat tip. I'll be damned. Come on. Will you look at that? Mass airflow sensor. Unplug. Take out. And plug back in. Okay. Ah, come on. One of these freaking things is hitting the damn thing. No, drawer. That's what I'm looking for. Adjustable. There it comes off. Now don't just throw that away, because trust me, you never know when the stock parts come in handy. So, you need to go get the heat shield and the supplied parts. So, heat shield, donut, and these right here. So we got heat shield, the air intake donut, and the parts bag. So according to this, this will go here, and there's some gaskets. Alright. So, and there are the gaskets. Whew. Here they are. Sorry, it's the fact of I love a plug-and-play system, and before I even think of forgetting about it, Loctite. Blue Loctite. Because the last thing I want to do is have a bolt come loose. looks like these hex bolts, these little suckers, go on. Let's not forget a washer, because trust me, that's the last thing you want. Love trying to line these things up sometimes. Alright, I'm going to shut you off while I try and get this put together. Turn you back on, and we're probably going to be putting it in the truck. Alright, looking at the instructions, got that tied down, had to borrow some tools from my dad. Next up is putting this whole freaking gasket on. We're good. There we go. Ain't pretty, but it'll work for me. Next up, grab the boot. Go into this. Goes on here. And we use a supplied hose clamp. Slide those on. Loosen that up a little. Get that to fit over. Get it seated and tighten her down. And there we go. Now let's go install this back in the truck. Alright, get that out of the way. Next up is the grommets that are down here. The original ones that used to hold it in. Those now get used to hold this in using the supplied nuts and bolts. And washers. This is going easier than I thought. Famous last words, but still. I mean, I am not complaining. This is one of the easiest installs I've done in a while. Except for stereo. But, I mean, basic tools. Not having a hump for stuff. I'm gonna go grab the air filter, test fit it. That way it gets set properly. Actually, right there is going to be perfect. So I'll tighten those dang things down. That's going nowhere. Set those off to the side for now. Okay. Next up is this. Go on here. And it's a stretch, but it is going. It's on hose clamp time. Parts bag. That's why I like nut drivers so frickin' much. Get the other one on there. Now it says with the supplied grommet to put the air intake temp sensor on it. However, mine didn't come with one. That's why these are so nice. So, I mean, just having this around is like having gold. Put that over here where you guys can see where I'm working. Be right back. Got the sensor. Nope. You know what I'll do? Put a little bit of tape on the thing. Just need enough to take up the gap. And that is not coming out. Yeah, it looks kind of stupid, but when you have the right stuff, make do with what you got. Now, put her in. Oh yeah, that simplifies a lot. Plug this back in. Where'd that other connector go? That's there. Where are you? Aha. About time he started cutting that one. Sorry, got a neighbor that's a landlord that's let his one place go a little too long, and he's finally getting to take care of it. Sorry, my boot's in the way. She's solid and secure. Now let's lift to these little bit of hoses. If I can get down without freaking ripping my pants in half on the hood latch. So, it's 5/8, 5/8. 4/6. He's provided 5/8. So it looks like okay, so we need to Alright, I've got to shut you off. I got to do some fiddling around and see what I can do. Gonna have to make some custom hoses. Alright, major thanks to O'Reilly's here in town for having the right hose size in stock. And it wasn't that bad either of a price, so it's finally put together. So got this top hose looped from there just over to there, and the PCV, I cut the plastic in half and extended it using one of the hoses from the kit and the supplied hose clamps. Air filters in. It's ready to go. Let's fire it up and see what happens. Hopefully no check engine light and everything else. Get my key. There it is. Fire in the hole. No check engine light. And it's actually sounding a lot better. And it's actually smoothed out. So that's awesome. You can hear it, so close her up. Buckle up. Take a quick dart around the block. More. Okay, let this other guy come through first. person on by, and then time to give it the beans. I can already tell this thing. Alright, turn here. Turn here. Good, no demon on the freaking road. Oh man! Cut through the yard. Parents are gonna be a little mad, but sheesh. That air intake already has paid for itself. It's already woken this engine up. I have no complaints. And it's actually idling freaking smooth. I mean, that's incredible. I'm happy. All right. Now, as far as my view goes, ease of installation, I'll give it a 9 out of 10. I mean, it was easy. True, there were a few parts that, yeah, you're still going to have to go hunting for and so forth, but, I mean, 9 out of 10. Instruction-wise, 10 out of 10. Pure, straight, simple, and easy. And ease of installation, 10 out of 10 on my book, because that was simple, easy. Still got to put tags, the last of the stickers on, but that's that. I'm calling it quits for the day. I'm destroyed, and I've got a mess to clean up tomorrow, or my dad's going to kill me. So I'm cutting it loose here. Like, subscribe, comment. I'll catch you guys all in the next one. Peace.